crazy freak, whatever.
Well, I'm Shark 069.
Alright, here's the materials you're gonna need. A soda can and a thumbtack.
And a marker. But we don't have that, so we're going to improvise.
Yeah.
Don't use nothing but Anka.
So the first thing you want to do is you're gonna poke it where the eye, close to the eye.
Okay.
Oh!
You okay? We're gonna spray you.
Oh.
Okay, and once the explosion's done, you can see that there is a little hole in it. So now, this is what the cup says. Okay.
Oh God, my eyes.
And what you do is you pour a bunch of it in the cup, and while you're doing it, you squeeze the cup to make it look like it's crushed.
Dude, I literally sprayed in my face. There!
Okay, and that's what you're gonna do. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna color all this part with the black marker. So now, they'll think that it's open, but then when you do this, like, yo, it's like super full.
Give me some.
No.
Don't worry.
Don't post it, okay? Do not post it, okay? Do not post it. We're not posting.
We did the worst video in the world.
I know, that was such a fail.